Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to generate box and whisker plot in Excel. A box and whisker plot, also known as a box plot, is a graphical representation of the data's distribution that shows the spread and central tendency of the numerical data. It presents a summary of the distribution displaying key statistical information such as minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum values. Anything which is beyond minimum and maximum is considered to be an outliers. Now let's see how we can generate this in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. I want to generate box plot for salary, that is the current salary and the beginning salary. You can generate box plot only for the continuous data, that is the metric data. Select it, go in insert. Now click on the recommended charts, all charts, box and whisker plots. Click OK. So the chart is ready. Now click on it. From here, you can add chart elements. Primary horizontal, primary vertical. Axis title can be added, primary horizontal, vertical. Chart title, above chart, centered overlay. Data labels, left, right, top, bottom. Grid lines, primary measure horizontal. If you don't want it, just click on it and the lines will disappear. Vertical, horizontal, vertical. Legend, right, top, left, bottom. The layout can be changed from here also. You can pick up any layout. We can change the colors from here. Moreover, chart styles can also be changed from here. So at present, we'll keep as it is. Now double click on this. On right hand side, fill and border will appear. Click on the fill, solid fill. We can select any color from here. Gradient fill, texture fill, pattern fill, automatic. Now click on the border. Solid line. It's about the chart border. Gradient line, automatic. Solid line. The color can be changed from here. So let's pick up the black color. Now click on the effects. Shadow. Outer. You can see the shadow has appeared. Size of the shadow can be adjusted from here. Blur, angle, distance. The next thing which we can do is glow. Normally we don't take shadow and glow together, but for learning purpose, let's see. So we'll pick up this glow, the color, size of the glow, transparency, soft edges. Soft edges can be increased or decreased. 3D format. So 3D format is not available. Click here. The size of the chart can be adjusted. The width can be increased. Text options. So no fill, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture, and pattern fill. So keep solid fill, text outline, keep solid line, or you can pick up gradient line. So let's make it no line. Now click on this grid, double click on it, no line. The grid lines will disappear. Solid line, gradient line, automatic. Here, effects are given for grid lines. So normally we don't use any effects for grid lines like shadow, glow, or soft edges. Let's proceed further. Now double click on this. The format data series. Let's start with field. I can change the color from here. So solid field, gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field. Select any pattern, automatic. Border, solid line. All other options we have already discussed. Click here on shadow, glow and soft edges. So shadow, if necessary, activate it. Outer. So we can increase the shadow from here, size of the shadow, blur, angle, distance. We can activate glow also. So depending upon your requirement, you can use shadow, glow, soft edges. 3D format is not available. Now the gap width. You can see the gap width between the two box plot is you can increase or decrease. So inner points, so outlier points, so mean markers, so mean line, inclusive mean, exclusive mean. So this was all about how to create box plot in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.